What's the meaning of contraption? Contraption. Contraption.
Contraption. Contraption. Contraption is a noun that refers to a mechanical device that is often complex or oddly shaped. It can also imply a sense of ingenuity or improvisation, as if the device was created using whatever materials were available. A contraption can be used for a wide range of purposes, such as for entertainment, transportation, or even industrial work. In short, a contraption is a somewhat unconventional or imaginative machine that is designed to serve a specific purpose.